Why folks, I think it's about time to try and empty some of these potatoes out. They've been growing in the containers, as you can see. Because I've lost my little polytunnel like I used to use at home, I've had to grow things in this sort of elevated bit that I've put under this roof light. So they've been growing there for about 90 days now. So they're all hanging down, so there's plenty of foliage on. So we'll get one out and we'll see if we've got any spuds after 90 days. Right then folks, the moment of truth. I can usually feel lumps and bumps. I can feel a few little ones, so there may be some. I'm not particularly hopeful with this. So let's see, just 90 days. 10 litre pot, 2 seed potatoes. Didn't put any of that special fertiliser in because I was going to, but it was elsewhere. Well, we've got one. That's a good start. As long as I can just get enough for a meal, that's all I'm after today. And just a bit of a test to say that's 2. Quite small, so like I said, after 90 days, I should have probably left him a little bit longer, but there'll probably be enough. Just eat these whole. Let's have a look. Come on, just give us a couple more bigger ones. They are a little bit on the small side. But it's always nice to get your first potatoes of the year. Oh. Let's have a look. I would like them ideally to be about that size. That's a little bit too small for, but you can eat those whole, as I said. But I think we can just about scrape a meal for 3 out of this. Let's have a quick riddle through this. Oh, I've got a few more. There are a lot of little tiny ones on, so they would have got bigger obviously. Yeah, they are a little bit on the small side. So anyway, let's just sort these out onto here. These are a variety called Jazzy. They are quite a nice variety. They do produce a lot of chews, as you can see, from just 2 potatoes. There's lots. I know they're a little bit small, but there are a lot of potatoes. Oh, and another one, bonus. And a lot of these tiny ones. Another one. Just keeps coming. A few more little ones hiding. So I think that's it. So definitely enough for a meal for 3 for that lot. So like I said, that's all I was after. 90 days. They could probably do with another 2 weeks. Then I would say I would probably double my yield. So not too bad. I have a little 10 litre pot, which wasn't even full, so it's probably only about 7 litres. 2 little seed potatoes I saved myself, a little bit of compost, and the wrong fertiliser. I didn't put the spuds galore in, otherwise they would have been much bigger. But anyway folks, that's about it. First little spud harvest of the year. See you later.